Are you a Christmas person, Craig?
Love it.
Yeah.
Honestly, love it. Like Christmas Eve is the best day.
It's
the
such
best.
a good day.
It's incredible, isn't it? Do you know, when I was a kid, I wouldn't leave the house Christmas Eve. Do you know why? I was afraid something happened to me that I'd miss Christmas morning.
Oh, no.
So I would lock myself in the house so I didn't leave. I remember like there was garages outside my back, and I remember seeing kids playing on top of the garages, and I was like, imagine if one of them fell through. They'd be in hospital Christmas morning. Santa's not going to the hospital. He won't get any. But of course
How
he
old
would.
are you at this point now?
I was around about 8, 9. I would sit in all day, wouldn't go out, watch Wizard of Oz, like the greatest film ever made, still is now, and just that was it. So Christmas Eve, I'm still the same now. Can't go anywhere.
Still watching Wizard of Oz Christmas Eve?
Funny enough, we caught a little bit of it last night. You know when it's that good a film? When you can watch it. When it's on, you'll watch it again. So I actually have a signed picture of the Tin Man.
Do you?
Yeah, I bought it in America. I actually, do you know, remember those, do you know the Witch's Castle?
Yeah.
And they have the soldiers marching around, and do you remember they carry those like swords? Or,
yeah. Did you have one of them?
I went to buy one. Yeah, from a real Wizard of Oz thing. I was going to get a ship from America, but then I was like, that's too much. Where would I put it? But that's so serious. I'm a Wizard of Oz.